guys? How we doing here? It should for some reason this pattern with the patterns bundle has always been an issue. So I'm gonna make a quick tutorial going over this one. When you use this pattern in pattern fill and you get some weird lines, for some reason this pattern is, this one's the only one that does it. So after you expand it, you see how there's those lines there. And if you're familiar with this pattern and you have it and you're running this issue, I apologize. I don't know why it does it, but there's a quick fix, okay? This is what I've done for a few people, but like I said, I might as well make a tutorial on this and show you guys. So I have something for people to refer back to. You can also do this in Corel. You just want to follow the steps. The save as an AI 8, so it flattens it out, and then reopen it back up, and then this is where you're going to want to do the same thing. So y'all see where the lines are, and of course that's not good. So what you want to do is select the artwork, and you see here that it's a one color, and those lines are there, and you don't know why. Even if you weld it, unite it together, they're still there. So what I recommend people to do is to add a super small like hair width stroke to the pattern itself. So let's go here, and then we're gonna make like a red. He's like, oh no, that's terrible. Just hold on. You go like the weight, and you make this thing small. Like the smallest it allows you to select is like 0.25. Let's go 0.15. Like to where you're not even gonna see it. You probably go smaller than that, to be honest with you. Yeah. All right. You go smaller than that, just for example, so y'all can see what's going on. I'm gonna leave it red, and I'm gonna leave it at that stroke. So once you have that, you want to go back to object, and you want to re-expand the pattern. So with the one color, the black for the pattern selected, and then you see here, and then the stroke, so it's all one object. So you have it selected, go to expand, okay. And what that does is to double check and make sure it's expanded. You look at the right box right here. You see how there's two boxes. The left one is for the fill, the right one is for the stroke. This right here is showing that there is no stroke. So what we've done is we've expanded it. So once we do that, you're going to see in the left box right now, it's a question mark. And that's because I put a red stroke on it. You can do a black one, but red just helps you double check and triple check and all that. It doesn't really matter because once it's expanded, you go to the Pathfinder tools, hit unite. Boom, boom. And that fixes the issue with, like I said, for some reason, this pattern, and quite a few people have run into it, and I should have made a tutorial a while back on this, and I apologize. I've helped, I've helped a lot of you guys out on this, but I should have made a tutorial because it's probably going to be something that's going on. I don't really know why it does it to begin with, but from what I understand, this is the only one that does it. So make a tutorial on it. So now we got the red shapes, no lines, good to go. One of my customers, Jeff, he sent me over this file to take a look at it. Like I said, I'm feeling frisky, so I was like, let's try out this new microphone arm stand. I got a shock mount with the filter, so you don't hear me like making noises, which you probably do anyways. I can probably hear everything outside too, but whatever. So yeah. So let's open up a new document. Create. Copy. Paste. We're gonna do the proof of life. It's red. It's whatever. It doesn't have to be red. It can be black. Whatever tickles your fancy. Let's save it as an AI8. Desktop. Boom. 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 Save. Illustrator 8. Okay. Now, proof of life. Where's Easy Crash? As y'all like to call it. Oh, Jesus. Alright. File. Import vector file. Boom. Shaka blah blah boom. There we go. Zoom out. And I get asked almost daily, like if I had a laser, I would love to help you guys out, but I do not own a laser. And so I want to get y'all's hopes up. You're watching this, like, hell yeah, I want to work with this guy. Fragout Firearms. I'm excited. and then you find out that I don't know settings. I don't know any of that. Main reason why I haven't bought a laser, because we're going on just over a year now with Fragout firearms. It's pretty exciting, you know, a little fresh off my shoulder. But it's all thanks to you guys. But the main reason why I haven't done that is because I'm in this weird corner, and it's where because it's very competitive with you guys. You're a dog eat dog. You're like, no, I'm not the settings. Blah blah blah. My ways. Blah, blah. So with me not being in that that mess, it, like I said, puts me in a weird corner. And I really love, like, I enjoy helping you guys. So for now, I don't have one. Maybe one day. I'll probably be one of the guys that blows up half his house, though. If my landlord's listening to this. Just kidding. Hatched. Proof of life. Easy crash. Good to go. Like I say, it's super simple. Super simple. So we're gonna go back to here. Like, this is with the pattern fill. Object expand. I don't know how he set this one up. It's a little weird, but go ahead to the Pathfinder tool, merge. Oh my god, the lines. Like I said, just add a stroke to it. Just doing it again real quick for you guys. 0.10. Can't even see it. Object. Expand. Okay. Unite. Boom. Power Rangers. Let's go. Fix that line issue straight up. And to everyone, you know, who's got the patterns bundle, like, I know it's a learning curve. It's the most, I don't want to say complicated, but it's the most complicated thing that I have available in my store, aside from maybe the last MVP PMAG thing. But once you get it, that light bulb turns on, you're gonna, like, just want to keep making stuff because it's so cool, and you get it, and it'll click. I promise you. But yeah, I mean, y'all just keep up making awesome stuff. Richard Zhang allowed me back into the fiber laser metal engraving group too, so I am even more inspired now seeing y'all post there, all the awesome stuff. Thank y'all so much for those who shout me out. It's awesome. I will be posting there about once a month, to not, you know, overdo it, and pay respects to, you know, Richard and all the admins and everybody else. But yeah, I'm excited, man. I am really excited. I got a board right here to my left full of stuff I want to get done with the next month. I'm not going to tell you what's all on there, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So yeah, we did the proof of life. There it is. The best way to fix this pattern and the patterns bundle, when you get those lines, is add just a super small stroke to it, re-expand, and then do the rest. Y'all know the routine. And that's it. Thank y'all so much for tuning in for this quick random Saturday tutorial. I hope y'all have an awesome rest of your weekend. Be sure to drink some water. Go clean out your toaster. I know no one does that. It's a fire hazard, so maybe go do that. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. 1, 2, 3. I got big